In Hampton Roads, some people are prepared to weather the storm, but others who have lived here a long time say some people aren't. I'm Danielle Seda in Virginia Beach, where I met Brian Hussey. He lives near Lake Windsor by Mount Trashmore, a flood-prone neighborhood. He says he saw his share of storm damage during Hurricane Helene last year.
The last one was the perfect storm. Northeaster for 4 days and then a hurricane on top of it. You know, you're not going to beat Mother Nature.
Hussey says he measured 18 to 20 inches of water in his house from Hurricane Helene.
I had to open up all the walls 3 feet, dry them out, replace the insulation, put new board up, replaster everything. So, yeah.
As we prepare to see the potential for flood from Hurricane Erin this week, Hussey is worried not enough people are taking the threat seriously.
Oh, there's people that are like that. Oh, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. It's not going to, but it can happen at any time.
He describes what he's seen in floodwaters on his street in the past.
And there was snakes and fish and, yeah, it was, and people let their kids out there playing in it. I'm like, you know what's in that water? What's the first thing that floods? The sewer. And you got kids out there playing in it. Nice.
On Tuesday, the Director of Emergency Management of Virginia Beach briefed City Council on storm preps ahead of the storm, also urging people to pay attention.
We understand people, are used to these and have a kind of resiliency towards them, especially residents like in Sandbridge and the northern parts of the city that are kind of see this frequently throughout the year. We just ask them not to let their guard down, still go through the motions of protecting their property.
I asked Brian about how he's preparing.
Make sure you got food, water, batteries, stuff like that in case you lose power. We have a generator because this area loses power in a regular thunderstorm. If you want to go to that extent, get you a generator and have it ready to go and make sure it's running. Most people don't test it until the day of the storm, and then most of them don't start because it's sat for a year.
He says, above all else,
just be smart. Think. Common sense.
In Virginia Beach, Danielle Seda, WTKR News 3.